What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to complete Mystic Falls, which is a quest under Faction Quests and add Power and Forest Guardians right over here. For this, we'll need to find the first Shai, and it takes you across to this location here, the Ancient Rift. If you don't see this marker here, simply zoom across to this location right under Pale Yoon, above Hernand. Zooming in over here, you'll see the Ancient Rift. When you come across to this gigantic rift, you'll see these two waterfalls over here. If we open up the map right by the E of the Ancient Rift, and all we'll do here is jump from the northern edge down here all the way to the very bottom, straight towards the waterfalls. So you can see where we are. Right below us is a hole over here that we can drop down and get straight to our goal. So just over here, all we need to do is drop down into this hole. So in this exact location over here, just under the H, as you can see, once we drop down into this hole, at the very bottom here, you'll find a tree with the person we need to speak to here. Once you speak to them, that ticks off this quest. In order to get out of here, we can either climb our way back out, or over towards the western side over here, you'll find this section. Although yours will be sealed, you'll need to enter focus, then hold your focused force palm button, charge it up, and align this green leaf with the circle that shows up on your screen inside the rock here. Let go whenever it starts shining, that circle, and you'll blast your way through a little wall here, allowing you access to the inside of the rift. Otherwise, again, just climbing out lets you get out. This quest is super simple to do as long as you know the right location. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.